Draw learning. Today we are going to draw Sherlock Holmes while we learn Spanish. Let's draw his famous cap, which in Spanish is gorra. We draw the hair, that is said, pelo. Now we draw the hand lens. Now we draw the eyes. Eyes in Spanish is ojos. We draw his raincoat, that in Spanish is said, gabardina. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. Marker in Spanish is rotulador. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say hand lens in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Now we use the brown, that is said, marron. Now we use the gray color, that is said, gris. Now we use light blue, which in Spanish is azul claro. We use this color for skin. Skin in Spanish is said, piel. Let's see if you know the answer. Hand lens in Spanish is lupa. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.